Hey guys, Trey with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a look at these OLED taillights with black housing and a red smoked lens for 2019 to 2023 Silverado 1500 models that already came equipped with the factory LED taillights. Now these tails are for Silverado owners who want to upgrade their truck's rear end with a modern, sleek design while enhancing visibility and safety on the road and achieving that custom modified look. The OLED taillights provide a brighter and more efficient light output compared to traditional halogen bulbs, thanks to the OLED technology, which delivers a sharp and even light distribution. This improves your visibility to other drivers, especially in low light conditions or bad weather. The red smoked lens gives you a custom, aggressive look while maintaining its functionality. Another great feature is the plug-and-play wire harness that lets you install these lights without any need for special tools or wiring skills, which we're going to show you here in a bit. These tails feature a black housing and a red smoked lens, constructed from very durable materials. The housing is made with a chrome-plated thermoplastic housing which utilizes a reflective polycarbonate lens, which makes this brake light very impact resistant, ensuring long-term reliability on it. As far as pricing on these tail lights, they come in around $800 for the pair. While OLED lights tend to be a bit more expensive than traditional options, these lights offer a balance of style, functionality, and durability, all at a reasonable price. The investment gets you enhanced visibility and a modern upgrade to your Silverado's rear end with a design that's made to last. These taillights are a direct plug-and-play replacement to your factory lights, so installation is pretty straightforward. Rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale, the install should take you about 1 hour to complete. No advanced tools or wiring modifications are required, making this a simple upgrade you can get done right in your driveway.
The only tools we needed, a small flathead screwdriver and a T15 Torx bit. In this case we use a drill bit and use it in a drill. Remove the 2 screws here that are holding this in place. These are T15 screws. These will now wiggle out of place. They go straight back. Here we are. Now at this point, we're going to disconnect the smaller connection right here and get that free. That'll disconnect. Underneath the vehicle is where the remaining wire harness leads to. Set that out of the way. And we're gonna climb under here. So here's what we're looking for. We're looking right here at this connection. You're gonna pull back this red tab, and then this here, by depressing then this black piece, pops right off. While we're under here, let's just go do the other side. Here we go. Same thing, we're gonna pull this red tab back. Right here, gonna push on that black piece, and that'll just disconnect nice and easy. Remove this wiring harness that was caught in here. I'm gonna crawl in. Oh, we don't need to. It's free here. Sometimes it gets a little caught up on some of the corners. I'm gonna crawl underneath and just make sure it's not caught on anything. There we go. And there we go. Just get it free. We're gonna feed this long piece right down through the same hole we just pulled the factory harness through. There we go. And then we're gonna take our small connector here. This is for our bedside lamps in here. We're gonna make sure the red tab is pulled out. This will plug right in, and then we're just going to lock it into place. That's not gonna go anywhere now. At this point, we're just gonna make sure this wire gets fed through here. No pinch points. And then we're going to install this. These 2 bolts are going to line up with the orange holes in here. There we go. We'll make sure these pins line up with the little holes there as well. There we go. At this point, we're going to take our T15 screws we removed. We're going to replace them. We're going to start by feeding them in by hand so we don't get cross-threaded. I'm gonna finish it all the way here. Nice and snug. We don't want to over tighten. I'm gonna go underneath and finish this connection here. So we're gonna take our new plug. We're gonna heat it up. Let's pull the can down. We're gonna heat it up and over, coming out right here. And then at this point, we're just going to then plug this right back in here. If we have our red tab, we're gonna push that back into place. We're gonna go do the other side.
That wraps up our review and install of the OLED tail lights with a black housing and a red smoked lens for all 2019 to 2023 Silverado 1500 models that came equipped with the factory LED tails. And as always, for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.